Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display the Microsoft Word ribbon so you can easily access all the tools you need while working on your documents. First, sign into Word in your browser and either create a new document or open an existing one from OneDrive. Now with your document open, look at the top menu where you'll see tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. To manage your ribbon settings, find the small arrow pointing downwards on the right side of the ribbon. Click on that arrow, and a menu will appear. From here, select Always Show Ribbon. This ensures the ribbon stays visible all the time, no matter where you click in your document. And that's it. Your Word ribbon will now remain permanently displayed, giving you quick access to fonts, formatting, and all the tools you need, making your workflow smoother and faster. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.